Samsung has just launched the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but rumors are already swirling about its successor, the Z Fold 7. According to reports, Samsung's head of mobile TM aims to make the Z Fold 7 even thinner than its predecessor. The Z Fold 6, when unfolded, is 5.6mm thick, and when folded, it's 12.1mm thick. Samsung reportedly wants to reduce this thickness to the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is 8.6mm. This would be a significant achievement, considering the original Galaxy Fold launched with a thickness of 17.1mm. While Samsung has successfully slimmed down the Z Fold series with each generation, achieving a 3.5mm reduction in just 1 year would be a remarkable feat. It's worth noting that Samsung has been rumored to launch a slimmer variant of the Z Fold 6 later this year, possibly called the Z Fold 6 Slim or Z Fold 6 Ultra. The competition for the thinnest devices is heating up. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 is rumored to be the thinnest iPhone yet, and the new iPad Pro M4 is also the thinnest iPad to date. Samsung will need to push the boundaries of technology to stay ahead in this race for thinness.